I'll tell you a secret, it is still terrible. Hi, I'm Marta and this is NotEnoughTECH. Would you like to know why IKEA Hub is slightly less terrible than it was yesterday? Mostly because today I've got an update to my app. And the app basically informed me that I can now introduce a second controller to a room. Now, previously, if you attempted to add a second controller in a room, it would split the room into two different rooms and break the functionality on your mobile phone. Now, thanks to the update today, now it's possible to add the second one. The 2 is the limit. I haven't got a clue why, but it works. So let me show you. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Those are 2 light bulbs from IKEA that are connected to the gateway and linked through the gateway to this remote controller, to this switch. So obviously when I turn it on, the lights are on, I can increase the brightness, etc. Everything works as intended and I can do so via app. Now what has changed? Previously I was not able to add any other controllers to this setup because it would break the group apart into 2 different rooms. Now thanks to the IKEA app update this is possible, and now I can just add another controller, and I've linked the dimmer. So right now I can also dim both lights. They all assigned to the group, and it's still working through the IKEA Trådfri app. That's my app, and I can still operate entire group as follows. You don't actually need an app to connect the second controller. However, I'll show you how to find the instructions should you want to use them. Go to Manage Devices and then you'll see that in room 2 I have 2 controllers already paired. This means that the option is not going to be available to add a control device. But if you go to another room, I'll be able to add a control device, and what you have to do, the new controller that you want to clone to the settings, you have to reset it. So hold it for 4 seconds, the pairing button, until it flashes, then wait 10 seconds and you can move to the next step. In the next step, put the controllers together and move aside far away from other devices and hold both buttons for 10 seconds until you see the lights blinking and completing the blinks. Now, word of notice here, when you go and you see in your room that you have assigned devices already, but for example a wireless dimmer switch is not responding, just give it about a minute. I found it that after a minute the dimmer actually clicks on and starts to work, so it just takes a moment to authorize it. And that's pretty much everything you need to do. It's great to see IKEA Gateway offering a second remote support for the same room without breaking any existing rooms or setups. That's a brilliant idea. However, I'm not 100% sure why they stopped the support for 2 devices only. I don't believe this is a hardware limitation, so hopefully in the near future we're going to see more functionality dropping into IKEA devices. For now, Mi Home, it is still my preferred hub at home, mostly because it's very easy to configure, it's very rich in features and supports a lot of devices including IKEA lamps. So if you're looking into home automation, I would hold off with IKEA just yet until all the functionality is going to be confirmed. And if you want to buy something now, consider Mi Home, which is much less expensive. So if you're interested in IKEA and stuff automation, I'll keep you guys posted. If you want any updates, obviously subscribe to this channel or follow me on social media and you'll get updates when I drop a new article or upload the new video. As for now, thanks so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.